Hi and welcome to the Ecom channel, and to this video where I am going to show you how you can add multiple currencies on your Wix website. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and please give this video a thumbs up so we know that you like this type of content. So let's get to work. The first and the simplest converter can be found in the website editor. Click the plus sign, also known as Add Elements. We go down to Store and we click Currency Converter. Just take this one and drag it to the page. We then click Settings and we click Add Currencies. This currency converter is only available for Wix users that have Business VIP or Business Limited. Also, this won't convert anything automatically. The visitor have to click the button and select the currency they want to see. Let me show you another option. This one will actually convert automatically and display the currency beside the normal price. So it's a better product, but it costs $3 or $4 per month. So this is how you use it. We start in Wix dashboard where we go to search bar and we write currency. We click on the first one, currency converter. And this is an app, so it will open in the app market. We click add to site. We click open and this will take us to the website editor. It's almost done. We just have to make sure that the app market window opens. There we go. And there it is. This is the free version right now out of the box. It works good, but you can pay $3 or $4 to get all the extra good stuff. If you want to test them out, you can also get a free trial. You do that here. And you just fill out your email address and click Start Free Trial. We also need to install a code for this to work. We go to Main and we click Configure. We then get these instructions that tell us how to install it. We just copy the code here on step 5. We go to Settings in Wix. We scroll down to Custom Code and we click the blue Add Custom Code button. I recommend that you always name your custom code so it's easy to locate. I will call this currency converter and paste it in the box that says paste the snippet. It needs to be in the head and we click save. Then you can go in the app again, turn on everything you want. We can also design it with the colors we want and really make it look like a part of the site. And when it's done, this is what it looks like. When the trial is over and you want to remove it, I'm going to show you that as well. You just go into the website editor and you delete the app. But remember the custom code. You can go back to custom code or delete or turn off the code. So these are the two ways that I recommend that you use when you are adding currency to your site. I hope this video helped you. Please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. It will really mean a lot if you did. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope to see you again soon. Bye.